Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the robust world of smartwatches with a focus on the Carbinox X Ranger.
This isn't just any smartwatch. It's touted as the best Titan in its class, designed to withstand the toughest challenges while keeping you connected and fit.
Let's unpack why this watch stands out in a crowded market.
The Carbinox X Ranger isn't just about looks. It's built for durability with a fully aerodynamic metal structure, making it 10 times more resistant than conventional smartwatches.
Whether you're on a construction site, climbing mountains, or just enjoying the great outdoors, this watch is designed to keep up. Featuring a vibrant 1.43 inches AMOLED HD screen, the X Ranger offers a crisp display that enhances usability. Navigating through its features is a breeze, ensuring a seamless user experience. It monitors heart rate, blood pressure, and includes a breathing reminder for enhanced health insights. Track your steps, calories burned, and even monitor your sleep patterns for better health management. Receive notifications from social media, control your music, and even use it as a flashlight when needed. Make and receive calls, read texts directly on the watch, ensuring you're always connected. With over 70 sport modes, it caters to all your fitness needs, from jogging to swimming, thanks to its IP69K waterproof and shockproof ratings. One of its standout features is the impressive 14 days of battery life on a single charge, ensuring it stays powered through your busiest days. It connects seamlessly via Bluetooth to both Android and iOS devices. For a deeper dive into your health metrics, the official Carbinox app offers detailed insights and performance tracking, accessible anytime, anywhere. In conclusion, the Carbinox X Ranger isn't just a smartwatch. It's a companion built for those who demand the best in durability, functionality, and style. Whether you're an adventurer, athlete, or someone who values reliability in their everyday tech, this watch delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights here on Product Critique.
Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech gear.
Until next time, stay informed and stay connected with Product Critique.